Purpose of this video is for you to know how the periodic table is broken down, and it can be broken up into groups and periods, right? And it can be broken up in other ways as well, but this is the main way. And then I'd like to go over what the things are called. Groups go up and down, and they are also sometimes called families. And they're called families because the things in them tend to react similarly. You've got group 1. These elements outside of hydrogen is a alkali metal. These are all metals. And group 2, those are alkaline earth metals. Now, these in the middle, these groups 3 through 12 are also metals. And the ones that touch the staircase line outside of aluminum are semi-metals. They have properties of both metals and non-metals. Everything up here is a non-metal. And some specific groups within this are group 17. They are called this is group 17, they're the halogens. And group 18 is the noble gases. All right, so metals are on the left, non-metals are on the right. You've got alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, transition metals, it's in the center. You've got semi-metals, and those are the ones that are touching the red line, save aluminum. Aluminum is a metal. And then everything up here is a non-metal. And the reason they're grouped is because they tend to do similar things like a family. They're kind of related. I haven't talked about the ones on the bottom. The lanthanoid and actinoid series, they are kind of an other group. They're metallic in nature, but they're they're not very common, and so they're not really talked about much in modern chemistry. They have their own chemistry, and it's very important, but it's just not relevant for what we're going over.